No, stop bullying. Being a bully. Look, he done ran and fell out back here. Come here, boy. Junior, what is your problem today?
He's Spider-Man.
He really think he's Spider-Man, don't he? He really think he's, come on, Spider-Man. Let's get on the Spider-Man mobile. Don't let him run out there. Huh? Yeah.
Get on the Spider-Mobile. Get on the Spider-Mobile.
Huh? No. Well, get on the bike and ride it then, boy. You say what? We going in the house. You finished cleaning up? Yep. Did your mama approve?
Yeah, she said yeah.
You want to come out here?
I go get my scooter.
Go get the scooter.
Yeah.
Next time when your mama tell you to do something, you do it. Man, just be patient with him, all right? I'm finna go ahead and tell Rosie to work. I'll be